Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily detach external references with a click. Let's examine the external reference detachment feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the block menu appears. Then click on External Reference Detach. Select the object set as an external reference in the drawing, and then press Enter. The external reference disappears as it is detached. When you run the XREF Manager, you can see that the list is empty. This is recommended for those who frequently use external references. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to detach external references. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.